everyone. Today we will discuss engineering qualifications, NZQA framework, and what are the different international accords that relate to engineering qualification in New Zealand that gives a benchmark to compare different international qualifications for people who are moving in to New Zealand and people who are moving out of New Zealand. You can have secondary or tertiary qualifications in New Zealand. Level 1 is the least qualification and level 10 is the highest qualification in New Zealand framework. 1 to 4, level 1 to 4 is for certificates in vocational training. For example, if you want to become a plumber or an electrician or a tiler, you will complete a certificate in those trades. That would be a certificate from level 1 to 4, usually level 4, and then when you become an apprentice, and then you can learn later the trade on job, and then you can have a certification from a relative, from a relevant professional body. Level 5 and level 6 are the qualifications at technicians level, you may say, for engineers, and it could also be a qualification in hospitality or business administration. These are usually diplomas. Then we have level 7, which could be a graduate diploma or a bachelor's of engineering technology. A technologist degree, it's not same as a degree program offered at universities, which is usually a 4 years bachelor's of engineering program. A 4 years Bachelor of Engineering program culminates with a capstone project and some on-job learning as well. Then we have level 9 for masters, which could be a coursework or research work, and then we have level 10 for PhDs. Usually it's offered at different polytechs. We used to have a number of polytechs across India. They have all been joined into one big organization, also known as Tipakanga, and then further subsidiaries into different polytechs. I will give you some names. For example, you have Unitech in Auckland, you have Otago Polytech, you have Beltech, Fiteria, etc. If you finish a 2 years level 6 diploma, you become a technician, and after certain years of experience, you can register as a chartered technician with Engineering New Zealand. Then we have a level 7 degree, which is Bachelor's of Engineering Technology. After finishing a Bachelor's of Engineering Technology and certain years of experience, you can become an engineering technologist, and you can also have a chartered engineering technologist registration with Engineering New Zealand. A 4 years degree program is for engineers usually finishing at the university. After finishing a Bachelor's of Engineering, BE or BE Honors. Honors is based on how you perform in your qualification. If you get if you meet a certain criteria, you will be awarded a Bachelor's of Engineering with Honors degree. Bachelor's of Engineering with Honors is usually level 8. So is the Bachelor's of Engineering from any other university. After finishing a BE, you can register after certain years of experience, and after learning certain skills, you can register as a chartered professional engineer with Engineering New Zealand, and you can get the license, and only then you can independently design structures and provide engineering services in New Zealand. If you're not a chartered engineer, usually you will work under the supervision of a chartered engineer who will review your work and sign off any producer statements. I will explain those producer statements now. Moving forward, how does those level compare with engineering qualification overseas? Now we have different benchmarking accords that actually benchmark New Zealand qualification against international qualification. Any engineer who is moving from the signatories to a certain accord, they will have their qualification considered equivalent in all those countries. For example, for Bachelor's of Engineering degrees, which is 4-year degree program in New Zealand, that is recognized under Washington Accord. And you can find more information for Washington Accord signatory countries. If anyone has completed a degree in any of those countries, their degree is considered comparable in those signatory countries. Then we have our technologist degrees. Technologist degrees are accredited under Sydney Accord. Sydney Accord also gives a framework or benchmark for technologist degrees, which is Bachelor of Engineering Technology. Then we have Dublin Accord for New Zealand diplomas in engineering.